Dear students, our next question is a man observe the angle of elevation of top of building to be 30 degree. It means man is at ground, he is observing top of building, that first angle is 30 degree. So for that, if I want to draw figure, then this, let us assume this one building, ground, now man at this point, let us assume that point be C, building is AB, B at 90 degree. Now, that first angle is 30 degree, man observe the top of building. So this one is 30 degree. Next is he walked towards it in horizontal line through his base. That man is walking, that person is walking towards the building. It means now we have to think that angle is greater than 30 degree or smaller than. So for that we have to think practically. If we move towards the object, at that time angle increase. So concept is that person is walking towards the building, so angle must be more than 30 degree. That we have to think practically. If we move towards any particular object, that elevation angle change, and that angle, new angle, is always greater than previous angle. So here same concept you have to apply. He walked towards it in horizontal line through his base. On covering 60 meter, the angle of elevation changed to 60 degree. It means if person is at C, after walking 60 meter towards the building, let us assume that point be D. So CD is according to question 60 meter. Person is walking towards the building. It means C to D. Measurement is 60 meter. Now from that point D, if person observe the top of building, then that angle is 60 degree. Our question is find height of building correct to nearest meter. It means our final target is we have to find AB. DB is not given, so we have to consider that as X generally for our simple concept. So main thing is how to draw figure from that given statements. So first statement is man is observing top of building, so that angle must be elevation angle because we have to observe any object which is above our level. So elevation angle is 30 degree. Now if any observer move towards the object, then that new angle is always greater than previous angle. So here same scenario, that person is moved towards the object, towards the building 60 meter, then we can assume that C to D 60 meter, that elevation angle is changed from 30 to 60 degree, and final target is we have to find H. So same concept over here, we can observe two triangles, two right angle triangles, ABD and ABC. First of all, I am using smaller triangle ABD. Step number 1. If I start this question with ABD, so in triangle ABD, for simplicity we can draw separate figure also for ABD. This one 90 degree, X and H. This angle is 60 degree. Now tan 60 degree. Why we have to use tan only? Because you can observe in this figure, in previous question also, there is no any role of hypotenuse. Just we have to deal with opposite side and adjacent side. Hypotenuse is always opposite side of 90 degree. But in this question we have to deal with opposite side of angle and adjacent side of angle. That's why we have to choose only tan theta, not sin theta, no cos theta. So here in triangle ABD, tan 60 degree equal to opposite upon adjacent. It means we can write H upon X. Value of tan 60 is root 3. H upon X. Do cross multiplication. It means if I shift X on left hand side, so it becomes root 3x equal to H. Write as it is. Consider as first relation. Now next triangle we have to choose. After that triangle must be right angle triangle. So step number 2. In triangle, which triangle? ABC. In triangle ABC, for that I am drawing separate figure. Here 90 degree. Then after AB is H and BC. From B to C, measurement is 60 plus H, or I can write X plus 60, but 60X is not correct. So X plus 60 or 60 plus X, you can write both answers. Same concept, here angle is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side is H and adjacent side is X plus 60. Value of tan 60 is 1 upon root 3 H upon X plus 60. Do cross multiplication. X plus 60 into 1, so X plus 60, and root 3 into H, that is root 3H. Now what we can do? We can apply that first relation. Observe on left hand side, in left hand column, root 3x is equal to H, first relation. So we can replace H by that relation. X plus 60 equal to root 3 into H is root 3x. From this one, observe, root 3x equal to H from first step. So we can replace H by root 3x. Now as we know that root 3 into root 3, if you multiply same root number 2 times, at that time just we have to remove root. So root 3 into root 3, 3x, x plus 60. Then after, simply shift x on right hand side. So 60 equal to 3x minus x, it means 2x. And then 3x minus x, 2x, then after shift 2 in denominator, so 60 upon 2, 30 equal to x. So x is the distance between point D and B, but finally we have to find h. Then what we have to do? Simply we have to put value of x in that first relation. It means this one. H equal to root 3x, means root 3 into 30. Now for getting answer, correct answer, we have to put value of root 3, because question is give your answer correct to nearest meter. Nearest meter, so we can simply put 1.73 also, or for accurate measurement you can put 1.732. 1.732 into 30. Then after do multiplication, simple multiplication. So 6, 9, 21 and 5. Then after we have to put decimal point before 3 digit. If I consider 0 over here, then 0.8, 0.8, 51, 0.96, this one answer, final answer, but in decimal form. We want answer in nearest meter. So 51.96, it means finally I can write 52 meter if I do rounding off then. So observe this question once again carefully. Question is, man observe angle of elevation of top of building 30 degree. He walk towards the building, so angle must be greater than 30 degree. So he walk towards building 60 meter, then elevation angle is 60 degree. Now find height of tower. So in this particular figure, you can observe two right angle triangle ABD and ABC. Main role is figure in this type of questions. So in triangle ABD, you can observe tan 60 degree. You can draw separate figure also for your understanding purpose. In triangle ABD, that tan 60 degree equal to h upon x. Value of tan 60 is root 3, h by x. Do cross multiplication, so root 3x equal to h. Then after we have to select that one more right angle triangle. That triangle is ABC. So observe this one. In triangle ABC, you can draw that separate triangle once again. Tan 30 degree equal to opposite upon adjacent. It means h upon x plus 60. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3, h upon x plus 60. Do cross multiplication, so x plus 60 equal to root 3h. You can replace h by root 3x from that first step. So now root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 over here, that is 3x. Then if I shift x on right hand side, 3x minus x, 2x equal to 60. then 60 upon 2, that is 30. So answer of x is 30. Now for getting final answer of h, what we have to do? Simply you have to put value of x in first relation. So h equal to root 3 into 30. That root 3 is 1.732 into 30. Multiplication is 51.96 and we want answer in nearest meter. So it becomes 52.